Hey, I'm Levi.
Hey, I'm Oliver.
And I'm Sally. We're from Dawn's Candy and Cake Supply, back with a tutorial on rainbow frosting. This is a fun and easy way to decorate your cupcakes. Make sure to only take as much as you can handle. Start from the middle, go all the way around. Stop piping and pull away. Second one is your basic swirls. The third one is to push it all out at once.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video.
And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and also turn on notifications so you don't miss an upload from Dawn's Candy and Cake.
We look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye!